Okay, Sridharatamil Subhatavasa. Here I am Shan Koritwaku. In this video, I am going to discuss some practice questions which are related to manufacturing income. That is statement of production cost in a new syllabus. Right. I have given you a simple exercise. Here is the question number 1. Then, if you take printing, you are doing printing papers, ink, manufacturing salaries, that is machine operator salaries, royalty fee, lubricating oil for machines, depreciation of machines, salaries for supervisors, factory rent, factory insurance, electricity. You are asked to finally calculate prime cost, production overhead cost, and third one, total cost. Right. You have already understood all the concepts available in manufacturing accounts. So we can calculate how. What is prime cost? Prime cost is the addition of direct material cost, direct labor cost, and direct other cost. That is the addition of direct cost. You have already understood that each individual components available in manufacturer account to statement of production cost format. So here prime cost equal direct material plus direct labor plus direct other expenses, right? If you want to take prime cost, you take first direct material, direct labor, and direct other cost. Right. Here, if these information is related to a book printing company, therefore printing papers will be direct material. That is 190,000. If you take ink also direct material, because if you take a book, ink also will be a part of the book. You can physically see the ink, and printing papers also will be a part of the physical product. Therefore, ink 30,000, that is direct material. If you take machine operator salary, that is direct labor, because he is directly involved in the production process. He is directly working with the machine. Therefore, the payment made to employee, those who are directly involved in the production process, is direct labor. Then you can mention that is 40,000. Then royalty fee. Sometimes they may have paid royalty for the author of the book. That is a direct expense. It comes under direct other expenses. That is 250,000. You know, here they have paid 250 rupees for each unit. They have produced 1,000 units during the period, given period. 1,000 into 250, we have got 250,000. That's a big portion, because sometimes author doesn't have resources to produce books. Therefore, he may have given the job to a printing press or institution. That's why they have got like that. Anyway, here per unit 250, they have produced 1,000 units or 1,000 books. The total amount paid is 250. That is it comes under direct other expenses. Alright. Then when you add these three, here 220,000 plus 40,000 plus 250. Altogether 250, 290, 490, 510. Right. At the exam, you have to check whether your answer is correct. 190 we have got, 30 got, 40 we have got, and 250 we have got. Then 240, 290, 390, 500, 80. You just check. 190, 30,000, that is 220, 40 and 250. Then 220, 260 and 510, that is correct, right? Then at the exam, we have to put in my slide. Okay, right. That is the answer for part 1. Then in the question you are asked to take overhead cost. What is overhead cost? What is overhead cost? Overhead cost means total of indirect expenses. Under that we can take indirect material cost, indirect labor cost, indirect other cost, or indirect manufacturing cost. Total of those three will be equal to production overhead cost. Number 2, production overhead cost, that is indirect material plus indirect labor plus indirect other expenses. Right. What is by production overhead cost? Indirect material, indirect labor and indirect other cost. Right? Then you can select each values. If you take lubricating oil, indirect material, that is 12,000. Okay. Depreciation also comes under indirect cost, that is indirect other expenses, 5,000. Right. Salaries for supervisor. Supervisor does not involve the production process directly. Therefore, the payment made to supervisor comes under indirect labor. That is 20,000. Right. Then factory rent. Factory rent is also indirect other expenses. That is 20,000. Right. Then we have the factory insurance. Insurance also indirect other expenses. That is 10,000. Then finally we are given electricity, 5,000 also indirect other expenses. Right. That is 5,000. At the exam you just check whether you have taken all the items. Then first one, lubricating oil, 12,000 we got it. It's there. Second one, depreciation machine, we got it there. Salaries for supervisor, that is indirect labor, we got it. Factory rent, 20,000, that is indirect other expenses. Then factory insurance, 10,000, we have got it there, that is indirect other expenses. Then factory electricity, 5,000, we have got it, that is also coming under indirect other expenses. Then we can add this here, 12,000 indirect material plus 20,000 indirect labor and 5,000, 20,000, 25,000, 10,000, 35 and 40, and the 40,000 indirect other expenses. Then at these 3, 12 and 20, 32, 32 plus 40, 62. You have to indicate it nicely. Then equal rupees 40, 20, 60 and 72. 72,000. 40 is the total of these indirect other expenses, 5,000, 25, 35, 40. 12,000 indirect labor, another 12,000 material. Here you add these three, 12,000 material indirect labor 20,000 and 40 indirect other expenses. 20,000 plus 12, 32, 32 plus 40,000, 72. Right. You got the answer for second part, that is overhead cost. Part 3, you are asked to take Total cost. Total cost. You know what is total cost? Total cost equal prime cost. Prime cost plus overhead cost. Production. Prime cost plus production overhead cost. Prime cost means addition of direct material, direct labor, direct other expenses. Production overhead means indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect other expenses. Then you got 510 for the first answer under prime cost. You got production overhead 72,000. That is second answer. You add these two, then it will be 582,000. 582,000. That is your answer for part 3. 582,000, the total cost of the company. This question regarding book printing institution, then you are given the information related to book printing. Then here, prime cost will be 510, production overhead will be 72, addition of those two will be total cost of production, 1000 units, 582,000. That is the answer for the simple questions. Then I think you got something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe me. There's a button, red color button below the video. That is the subscription button. Then you can just click that button and click the bell icon, and you can switch on your notification. Then I can easily send these videos to you. Thank you very much. We can again meet to discuss other past paper questions from the videos. Thank you very much.